Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Gabby, also known as Be Naturally Glam. Today I am trying black owned products. I'm happy to actually say black owned products. I am going to try tgin, thank God it's natural, Miracle REPAIRx line. I actually won these products in a giveaway, if I can hold them all for you. But these are the products. This is their full Miracle REPAIRx line, and also with the giveaway they gave me their skincare line in their book. Today I'm just going to do a review, and these products are made with black honey and coconut oil. So I'm going to start off with their shampoo, then their conditioner. Next, I'm going to go in with their deep hydrating hair mask. And I'm not going to style my hair, but I want to stretch it. I'm going to apply some of this Curl Food Daily Moisturizer on my twist. And then they have this Anti-Breakage Serum. But there are no sulfates, no parabens, no lanolin, no petroleum, no mineral oil, no artificial colors. Sounds good to me. So we're gonna jump right in. It's not a strong smell. When I saw REPAIRx, I was thinking it was gonna be, that medicated smell, but it's not. So when I'm shampooing, I like to make sure I get my roots first and just drag the rest. You don't have to drag the shampoo down if you don't want to, because as you rinse your hair, the shampoo is going to run down anyway. I just like to do this, but I just don't go through my hair strands. And just to prevent my hair from tangling back up, I like to pull it down and clean the roots, just to remove the buildup from the old products. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. We're going to go in with the conditioner. And what I liked about the shampoo is that it cleaned my hair, but it didn't necessarily strip my hair, if that makes sense. Like, the moisture is still in here. It's not like, oh my goodness, it's extra dry. Since I'm going to use their hair mask afterwards, I will not sit under the dryer with this conditioner, but I will detangle my hair while it's on. They're all light. My hair is really soft. And I applied a little more conditioner because I knew I needed to detangle. But you see, my comb is just gliding right through the hair strands. Like, I am not struggling at all. I can't believe how my hair is detangling so easily with just this conditioner. It's not even a detangler. I can tell these products are a miracle repair. Just how they feel, how they're light. It's nothing heavy. The scent is not even strong. It's just a hair prescription. That's all it is. I am not lying when I say this conditioner is working as a detangler. Some hair products that I use that are actually detanglers don't even detangle my hair as good as this. I mean, it's just gliding, look. I'm just thinking this is a great line to use after a protective style if you want the moisture back into your hair. I cannot believe how fast I detangled my hair with this conditioner. Normally after shampooing my hair, I have to go back through and thoroughly detangle my hair. You would think I didn't even detangle it before shampooing. But I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out, and I'll be back to apply the hair mask. But this process is just so smooth. Okay, now this deep hydrating mask. You can see how it's coming out. All of them smell light. Now the mask is a little thicker, and a little of this mask goes a long way. But my hair is so soft. I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic cap after this and sit under the dryer. And we're going to sit under there for 10 to 15 minutes. But if I wasn't using a dryer, it said I can leave it in for a half an hour to 1 hour. But to get the moisture back into my hair, I would like to use some heat. So that's what we're going to do. And speed this process up. Even though it's really not long at all. I'll put a little more on the ends where I like to focus because it's dry the most. I've noticed I haven't had to apply any water during this process, unless you know my hair is moisturized. I sat under the dryer, and as you can see, I could not find my plastic caps, but I always have a plastic bag on hand because they do the job as well. My hair is still so soft and moisturized. Ugh, feels so good. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out. Next, I'm gonna go in with this anti-breakage serum. And you see it's a spray. And it says to apply a dime-sized amount of oil to help smooth the strands and lock in moisture. And this can also be used as a hot oil treatment. And it gives you the directions for that as well. Oh, thought it was a spray. It's an oil. They got me there. All these products smell the same. Yes, they're all made with the same black honey and coconut oil, but I'm telling you, some lines, all the products smell different. And the last product that I'm going to go in with is their Curl Food Daily Moisturizer. Like I said earlier, I want to stretch my hair before I actually style it. And I want these products to just kind of penetrate throughout my hair strands. So I'm not going to do anything else to it after I apply this. I'm just going to put in 8 twists, that's about it. So the Curl Food doesn't have a smell at all, and it's pink in color. Oh wow, this is really thick. You see it doesn't move. So the directions say I can use it daily or every other day. Apply a small amount to hands and rub together and work throughout the hair. This also can be used as a setting cream just to create soft, smooth, and shiny 2-strand twist outs. Put a little more on the ends. That's why I say I always have my dryness. And these are not neat. I'm just sleeping in them and I just want to stretch my hair. What I like about this curl food is it's just dissolving right in my hair. So the fact that it's not white, I like that because I should be able to use it with other products. And since it's a daily moisturizer. I'm all about moisture, so that's why I use a lot of creams versus sprays. So you see I have my 8 twists in here. Now if it look cute tomorrow, I will take it unloose and wear it just like this as a twist out. To make sure my hair fully stretched, I'm just going to pull them down and connect them and put them in a ponytail. And I'm going to go down with the ponytail holder. Just like that. But I give this line a 5. These are great products. If you have not tried them yet, please go purchase them. I will put how much they cost down in the description box. The process, it is so worth it. If you purchase all these products, don't skip steps. Follow it verbatim. You will not be disappointed. I love these products. This is something that you need if your hair is really dry. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you next time.